In the name of Allah, who is the most merciful and most beneficent. Respected teacher and my dear fellows, Assalamu alaikum. Well, my name is Sadia Malik. Today, the topic of my presentation is vitamins. Now, let me start. Vitamins, vitamin A, vitamin C, and vitamin D. So, first of all, I will discuss vitamins. Vitamins are organic compounds necessary in small amount for the normal growth and the function of human and some animals. These are normally present in our daily diet intake. They help regulating energy transformation and metabolism. They are effective in very small amount. Nomenclature of vitamins. The word vitamin comes from vital and amine. These substances were commonly known by letters of the alphabet such as A, B, C, D, E, and K, which is needed to prevent beriberi, once a common disease among people who depended upon white rice for their main source food. After the understanding the composition and the chemical nature of these vitamins, their alphabet nomenclature is being replaced by their chemical names. Why we need vitamins? Vitamin R minerals are considered essential nutrients because acting in concern, they perform 100 roles in the body. They help shore up bones and your immune system. They also convert food into energy and repair cellular damage. So, classification of vitamins. There are two classification of vitamins: fat-soluble vitamins and water-soluble vitamins. Fat-soluble vitamins that are soluble in lipids, example A, D, E, and K. And water-soluble vitamins, vitamins that are soluble in water, B complex, and vitamin C. So, vitamin A. Vitamin A is a group of nutritional organic compounds. IUPAC name. I international, U union, P pure, A applied, C chemistry. International Union Pure Applied Chemistry. Common name retinol, molecular formula, molecular weight, and melting point. Molecular formulas C20, H30, and oxygen molecular weight 286.5 gram per mole, melting point 62 to 64 centigrade. So, vitamin A is a fat soluble vitamin, and vitamin A is derived from carrot. Carrot is a major source of vitamin among the vegetable, and all than carrot there is cheese, egg, papaya, pepper, pumpkin, and fish derived vitamin A. Now vitamin A is the main provitamin, and vitamin A is a beta carotene. Beta carotene is derived from carrot. Now this beta carotene is processed in several ways. Let's understand the structure of beta carotene. It has two beta anion ring in red circle, and it has a polypeptide chain which is showing two beta anion ring, and this polypeptide chain would be cleaved enzymatical in specific region to give rise to retinol. Now this is basically vitamin A. So from one beta carotene, essentially two molecular of vitamin A is produced. So the vitamin A can be converted and interconverted into different form like retinol, retinal, and retinic acid. So retinol and retinol interchangeable, and from of retinic is one way convenient to retinoic acid. Retinoic acid is a super important signaling molecule from several way and biological process. Now let's say we eat a carrot and see from this carrot how the vitamin A absorbed proceed by digestive system, how it is metabolized and how it is utilized by our body. So when we eat carrot, digested in beta carotene is getting somehow metabolized in intestine. So inside the intestine, the beta carotene would be cleaved and further processed by an enzyme known as deoxygenase enzyme, which would be cleaved and beta carotene and ultimately give rise to retinol. Right now, this retinol now this retinol is pectin, mycin, and from that is absorbed along the fat intestine file. Now from there it goes to liver. Inside the liver cell destroy in the form of retinol and pelimitate and then released in the blood with specific retinol by protein process carrier. It is transported by the various location of the body. Vitamin A is required. Now vitamin A is super important for the next few moments. We spend the time to understand how vitamin A is so important in what happens in case vitamin A deficiencies. So she, our eye, we know back of the eye, the main screen with the help to display image to retinol. Inside the retinal, several kind of the cell like rod cell, cone cell. Rod cell give us a sensitivity of low light, cone cell with the help of color vision. So inside the rhodopsin, there is a main pigment rhodopsin. Rhodopsin is the nothing but a protein couple receptor rhodopsin. Inside the it has a structural unit which is nothing but vitamin A is derived from 11 cis retinal. How light fall in rhodopsin and conformational change 11 cis retinol become all the trans retinal and this conformational changes. Has consequence now today the conformational change is rhodopsin, a protein associated rhodopsin which is reducing is activated. So that dissociated a complex and move in a membrane fusion and activated particularly phosphate diester in a cyclic chain. What a cyclic chain has an adjust convert cyclic C GMP is a cyclic form from normally what happen when it absolute dark there is the almost of sodium is entry from like nucleotide channel and cyclic nucleotide get channel required cyclic chain before their operation. Now when there is light what happen is cyclic GMP phosphate is activated. This transducing molecule and this transducing is self activated by light, so a lot of cyclic GMP which is important for the channel activity of cyclic nucleotide and getting now converted to GMP, and that all the cyclic nucleotide channel is no more open and the change literally change short cells. Vitamin A deficiency led to necropsia and xerothelemia. Vitamin A is a deficiency led to necropsia is the main night blindness, and so normally rod cells are important for low light vision. Rhodopsin is the key factor for this night blindness, lack of the vitamin A. So no, normally circumstances this is how your eye look like, but in case of light blindness, your level of these vitamins already deficient to move rhodopsin not functionally. It's difficulty under low light situation. So night blindness, a lack of vitamin A causes poor vitamin dim light or dark area due to effect of vitamin A, the eye retinol. The second condition, the second condition is most important. Xerophthalmia and the will there is dryness of conjunction wide dry and thick and wrinkle loses normal transcript and dryness and the specific region of this cornea. Now when xerophthalmia proceed for a very long time at least, in this happen what happened to see softness cornea and the develop corneal infection increased oral to a huge protein eye inside, so they could be blindness, softness of cornea and develop corneal infection. So other than the vitamin A has a very important role of integrate of skin cell production. In absence of vitamin A, skin cell very dry. This kind of phenodrima is a very similarly of dry scientific name of phenodrima, and this disease is phenodrima. Now these kind of effect vitamin A is very important to repair of skin. Vitamin A vitamin A is a fat soluble and maintains and repair of skin and help in differentiation. So why we need vitamin A? Vitamin A is a fat soluble that is naturally present in many food. Vitamin A is important for normal vision, immune system and reproduction. Vitamin A also help the heart, lungs, kidney and other organ world. Digestion and absorption. Dietary vitamin A from animal sources is available in the form of retinol ester, which is hydrolyzed the retinol and fatty acids by pancreatic hydrolysis. The absorption of retinol requires the presence of bile salts. Graph showing the wavelength nanometer 400 to 600 and absorption 0.0 to 1.5. UV spectroscopy. UV spectroscopy is an absorption spectroscopy technique. It on sample containing species that absorb light, the ultraviolet to visible range. When less energy is required for the transition wavelength of absorption to higher, when more energy is needed to wavelength is lower. IR spectroscopy, infrared spectro of 15 purified retinoid were compared retinoid with conjugated CO group and the presence of band between 17 to 30, 16 to 30 centimeter. A characteristic of retinoid in the presence of band between 1650 and to 1620 centimeter. Due to CC secretion, there 3 and 4 conjugated CO and CC bonds present between and where more conjugated unsaturation were present. So, vital for fertility and fetal development, vitamin A essentially for both male and female reproduction because it plays a role in sperm and egg development. It also critical for health, the tissues development and maintenance as well as fetal growth. Therefore, vitamin A. So, their vitamin A is fetal health, and so these trying to conceive. And why we need vitamin A for women? Vitamin A, healthy and growth and reproduction. Vitamin A is essential for maintaining a healthy reproductive system in both men and women, as well as the normal growth and development embryo during pregnancy. So why we need vitamin A for men? Vitamin A is also important for maintaining and good vision, and it also known as anti-infective vitamin because of the role is supporting of immune. Laboratory investigation, serum retinol level, serum zinc level, and iron panel, albumin level, and complete blood cell, CBC, and serum retinol level normal range is 28 to 86, and this level decreases in vitamin A deficiency. Serum RBP level and zinc level is useful because zinc deficiency interfere with RBP production. Iron is useful because iron deficiency can affect the metabolism of vitamin A. And albumin, indirect measure of vitamin level. Lab investigation. Prevention. The diet should include dark green leafy vegetable, deep or bright colored fruits, carrot, yellow vegetables, and vitamin A, milk, liver, egg yolk, and fish liver oils helpful. Carotenoid are absorbed better when consumed when some dietary fats. In developing countries, supplements of vitamin A in a oil and for every 6 and all children between 1 and 5 years of age. Vitamin A toxicity can be acute. Children and are chronic. Both types usually cause headache or increase pressure. Acute toxicity also causes the vomiting, and chronic toxicity also causes change in skin, hair, and nail. Also liver results and the birth defects. So vitamin C. Vitamin C is also known as ascorbic acid, is essential nutrient in many multicellular organisms, especially in humans. Ascorbic acid is a water-soluble vitamin and is found in variable quantities in fruit and vegetable and organ meats, liver and kidney. Deficiency of vitamin C, connective tissue weakness and capillary among chemists. It is used as reagent of the preparation of fine chemical enzymatic reagent and nano material. International Union Pure Applied Chemistry name, common name, ascorbic acid, molar mass 176.12 gram mole, appearance white or light yellow solid. Structure of vitamin C. L-ascorbic acid and it oxidized derived L-dihydroascorbic acid. They form reversible redox system and free radical reduce iron and the other metal superoxide radical. React with several amino acids to form brown color, stable in acidic condition. Sources. Vitamin C is abundant available in many natural sources including fresh fruits and vegetables. The richest source of ascorbic acid include Indian gooseberry and fruits such as the lime, orange, and lemon, tomatoes, potatoes, and green leaf, and red peppers, sources of vitamin C. Vitamin C sources. Function. Vitamin C play an important role in many physiological processes in human. It is needed for the repair of tissue in all parts of the body. The important function of vitamin C include formation of protein used to make skin, ligaments, and blood vessels for healing wounds, for forming scar tissues, of repairing, maintaining, and bones and teeth, and absorption of iron. It can also act reducing capping agent of metal non particles. So why we need vitamin C? Vitamin C, also known as ascorbic acid, is a water-soluble nutrient found in some foods in this body. It acts antioxidant, helping to protect cell from the damage caused the free radical. Free radical are compound formed when our body convert the food we eat into the energy. Antioxidant activity. One of the important property of vitamin C is its antioxidant activity. Antioxidant activity of vitamin C help prevent certain diseases such as cancer, cardiovascular disease, and common old age is related to muscular degeneration. And vitamin C can protect the body against. And the antioxidant nutrients themselves don't become free radical by donating an electron, because they are stable in free acting, help to prevent cell and tissues. Mechanism of action. Antioxidant and pro-oxidant activity, reducing agent. Antioxidant donate electron and hydrogen ion and may react free radical and reactive oxygen species. And reactive oxygen species on hydro radical radicals and super reoxide radicals and hydrogen peroxide attack phospholipids and protein in membrane, oxidize LDL and red blood cells. Absorption occur primarily and by active transport, such such and dosage depend simple diffusion and carrier mediated to small extent. Absorption ascorbic acid may be oxide to dehydroascorbate and reduced to ascorbic acid. Reduced required reduced GSH and occur primarily in distal protein of acid absorb, decreased with increased vitamin intake. 16% is high intake and 98% in low intake. 200 mg day is a particularly upper limits and give 12 mg plasma level and 2500 mg day increase plasma level 15 mg. So graph showing absorptions and wavelength nanometer, 10 QB. Ascorbic acid taken up by red blood cells and lymphocytes and neutrophils, reduced to ascorbic acid within the cells. Tissue and plasma level reflect intake in 690 mg day. UV spectrometry is mostly used to determine ascorbic acid because it is simple method and vitamin C is able to absorb UV rays. Here bromine water is used which excites the ascorbic acid into dehydroascorbic acid. In the presence of acetic acid, the known amount of 4D and pH is added which give coupling reaction. So metabolism. Vitamin C is oxidized removal of 2 electron and 2 proton. Ascorbate follow the formation of the radical and oxidized from may be reduced back to NDH or NADPH. Oxide from may be further oxide. Metabolic function, electron transport, antioxidant function, enzymes, conjugate function, collagen synthesis, and drugs, steroid metabolism. Deficiency. Vitamin C intake 10 mg results in severe C when the total body pool is 300 mg. Symptoms: bleeding gums, smell, skin, and due to blood vessels are easy brushing, impaired wound and fracture healing, joint pain, loss, indicate teeth of the hair falling, several low plasma vitamin C absorbed in the elderly. Symptoms of vitamin C deficiency in our body: nose bleeds, dry skin, digestive disorders. Testing. Simple tests are available to measure the level of vitamin C in urine and serum. These better reflect dietary intake rather than the total body content it has absorbed. Then, while serum concentration, flow, cardiac rhythm are reflect short-term dietary impact, and the tissues is more stable and give better view to availability of within the enter organisms. Lab investigation. Toxicity more likely of several large doses than single dose. Remember, absorption is and dose dependent. Kidney stone, oxalic acid, calcium makeup, and kidney stones. So vitamin C compete with uric acid reabsorption and increase intake and B6 and B12 utilization. Chronic high doses of vitamin C may be unsafe if they unable to regulate absorption. Iron may interfere with clinical tests. Test for glucose in urine decrease intake gradually to avoid Segreville-like symptoms. Multivitamins, best multivitamins for men. So basically, multivitamins. So multivitamins, basically simple words. A multivitamin is preparation intended to serve as a dietary supplements with vitamins, dietary minerals, and other nutritional elements. Such preparation are available in the form of tablets, capsule, and powder, liquid, or injection forms. Other the injection formula, which are only available and under the medical supervision, multivitamin are recognized by Codex Commission and the in healthy people. Most scientific evidence the multivitamin supplement don't prevent cancer, heart disease, or other regular supplement is not necessary. So best multivitamin of man, the rainbow lightman on one multivitamins, but is multivitamin complete and garden of life vitamin coach man natural way. Best multivitamins for women and best multivitamins for women. So why we need vitamin C, why we need vitamin C women. You may also it called ascorbic acid. It aids in healing wounds and help your body make red blood cells. It also boosts level of the brain chemical called and which make you you feel more alert and your amp up your concentration. And why we need vitamin C for men? Vitamin C, also known as ascorbic acid, is necessary for the growth, development, and repair for all the body tissues involved in many body functions, including formation of collagen, absorption of iron, the immune system, wound healing, and the maintenance of cartilage, bones, and teeth. Vitamin D. Vitamin D is a fat-soluble vitamin. Vitamin D is a steroid. It contains steroid nucleus, and vitamin D function like hormones. Form of vitamin D. Vitamin D in the diet occur in two forms, and vitamin D2 and vitamin D3. So vitamin D3 and D2. International Union Pure Applied Chemistry name and common name calcitriol and formula chemistry. And vitamin D is formed when estroglyol is present in plants. The vitamin D and the vitamin D3 structure. So uh, chemical, the various form vitamin D are that steroid in which one of the bonds in the steroid ring is broken. The structural difference between vitamin D2 and vitamin D3 is the side chain of D2 and that contain a double bond between carbon 20 and 23 and methyl group of the one on the carbon 24. And vitamin D is used to treat and prevent disorders such as rickets, stomalacia. Vitamin D is basically made by to the body and the skin. So how many international units are in D3, and the vitamin D intake is recommended 400 to 800 IU. They are 10 to 20 microorganisms. So studies suggest that higher daily intake 100 to 400 international unit and the needed to maintain optimal blood levels. You answer with the help will help improve your experience and the experience and product and the vitamin D depending on their food sources. Vitamin D3 is only found in animal source food, and D3 is come from plant sources and aquatic food. Since vitamin D2 is a cheaper produce, it most common from imported food. So both the sterile similarly structured. The ergocalciferol has an additional methyl group R and a double bond. Absorption diet from animal sources such as animal liver contain vitamin D3. Diet from plant sources and contain vitamin D2. Absorption vitamin D2 or vitamin 3 absorbed from upper small intestine and bile, and mechanism vitamin D3 and D2 from mixed by combining with biles or mixed are present in cells. Absorption occur by passive transport. Metabolism and biochemical function synthesize of 1 to 25 dehydroxycellulose active from, and vitamin D is a 1 and 25 is also called calcitriol and is a first hydroxylated 25 position, and the kidney process specific enzyme, and both hydrolase enzyme of liver and kidney require P450 and NADPH is molecular oxygen process. Sources of vitamin D: exposure to sunlight produced, and good sources of include fatty fish, liver oil, and egg yolk, etc. Milk is not a good source. RDA children 10 GMD or 400 per day, adults 5 gram, and pregnancy legation 10 gram and above the age of 60 year and 1 U day. So deficiency of vitamin D. Deficiency of vitamin D causes of rickets in children and osteomalacia in adults. Ricket it is a vitamin D deficiency state in a children, and vitamin D dietary deficiency and not exposure to sunlight rickets in a children, and criticized due to complete mineralization causing and softening bones, delay in teeth information, the weight bearing bones, and when rhomboid legs decrease serum calcium deformation and the weakness of abdominal muscles. So why we need vitamin D? Vitamin D help regulate the amount of calcium phosphate in the body. These nutrients are needed to keep bones, teeth, and muscles healthy. A lack of vitamin D can lead to bone such as rickets in children, on bone pain caused by a condition is called osteomalacia in adults. Biochemical finding: decrease serum calcium and decrease plasma phosphorus 4.5, increase plasma alkaline phosphate. Like your children. Toxicity: vitamin D is stored mainly in liver. Vitamin D is much toxic in overdoses. Toxic effect include bone and increased calcium absorption from intestine and increased plasma calcium. So calcium many soft tissues such as kidney, and it led formation of stones. So why need vitamin D? Multivitamins. Vitamin D help our body absorb calcium, which is important for bone health. Now getting enough for the vitamin can increase your likelihood of getting sick, your chances bone and back pain. Multivitamin is typical head lower vitamin D. Connect the pure vitamin D supplement health bone products. Although some product label as bone of very low level of vitamin D. That's all my side. Thank you. References.